Hey guys, Jankua here from Mybizbreakthroughs. If you are looking for free methods on how you can drive traffic to your website, YouTube is the best and effective traffic source that you can use. So in today's lesson, we will talk about how to make your YouTube channel get popular fast. You need to create your YouTube videos that connect with people for you to increase the number of views and subscribers. And one way to do that is create and share valuable video content that is relevant to what your target customer is searching for. So today we will talk about some simple strategies to enhance your YouTube marketing in order for us to get on the right track. So there are simple questions that we need to answer. First is, who is watching our videos? So this is all about your target audience. What is the demographic of your target audience? Is it 18 to 30 years old? Is it 30 to 35 years old or above? Is it male or female? What do they do? Are they teachers, nurses, working abroad? Are they single, married, or having a kids? A total beginner who doesn't have any experience in making money online? Who are they? Next, what do we want to communicate? Then what message that you want to communicate with your target audience? And third, what do we want our viewers to do when they finish watching our video? So at the end of your video, you can tell them what exactly you want your viewers to do. How should we communicate with them to get them to your final URL? So you need to have a clear call to action of what you want them to do after they watch your video. So either you can have a button like subscribe or click here or click the link below this video. So you need to be clear. Okay, let me show you this. This is one of my YouTube channel. So you will see here, ClickBank Made Easy. And this channel is all about ClickBank, how to make money with ClickBank. So you can see here, this is one of my video title, Best Traffic Source for ClickBank Conversion for this ClickBank channel. So make sure if you are creating your channel, so you should create a valuable content related to your channel. So that's one simple strategy that you can implement, how to make your YouTube channel get popular fast. So that's all for now. So if you want to learn more on how you can start your own online business career, just click the link below this video. Jankua here, your breakthrough guide to design your future.